National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern San Diego County and southwestern California until 7:15 p.m. PDT. At 4:10 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.75 to 1.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mount Laguna, 1-8 between Pine Valley and Boulevard, I-8 between Boulevard and Imperial County line, Highway 78 between S2 and Borrego Springs Road, Highway 78 between Banner and S2, Highway S2 between Agua Caliente and Canebrake, Highway S2 between Canebrake and Imperial County line, Highway S2 Vallecito Creek Road, Highway S2 between Shelter Valley and Agua Caliente and Fish Creek Wash.